Welcome back, friends, to another Valentine's Day Tablescape with activity. Today is one of the last ones I'm sharing for the 2022 season, but I'm super excited about it. As you can probably tell, it's a sushi inspired activity that we're going to be participating in today, and you can't go wrong with sushi. Everybody can find something with sushi, whether you like it raw, veggie, cooked, whatever. So let me get into this with you guys. And the theme I'm going with is you're all of my favorite things rolled into one. I saw that on a Valentine and I was just like, oh, this is so cute. But also I found this cute little sushi boat tray. It's a plate, it's a bowl, it's a serving platter, whatever you want to call it. And I was like, it's really cute because one, it's sushi on a little boat, but I was like, it kind of gives me like that Love Boat vibe. And I was like, oh, this all kind of goes together. And I connected the dots in my head and I was like, okay, we're going to have a fun date night home making some sushi. So I found this really fantastic and actually pretty well reviewed sushi making kit, and I thought whether you're just doing like a veggie rolls at home or you want to splurge and get some shrimp or some of the sushi grade tuna or salmon or something, there's definitely lots of wiggle room with sushi on how crazy you want to go. But I thought, what a fun activity. You're home, you're cooking it together, you're making sushi, and I thought this is really fun. And I was like, okay, if we're going to go through all this effort, we might as well theme everything together. And what I really loved about this theme was I didn't really have to feel like I was going crazy Valentine's Day with the hearts and the sparkle and stuff like that. I just wanted to keep a really pretty and kind of simple red and black palette going. So I found this fantastic everyday kind of dinnerware set online that I love. That's kind of a rounded square, but it's red and black, so really nice ceramic finish. And of course, I found a really kind of edgy red and black tablecloth or table overlay. And you probably don't need it every day, but if you're going to go through all the work of making fancy sushi at home, you might as well have a nice little table setting. And I was like, okay, I don't really want flowers on the table in this type of environment. Like, it just doesn't need it. And if you wanted something a little less soft, this could be an alternative. And if you didn't want to do this during Valentine's and you just wanted a really cool kind of vibe, you could get a fountain. And I was like, a water feature on your table? Oh, kind of like that, depending on what size table you have, whether you put it on the table or maybe like on a little pedestal near the table. I thought, a little Zen water fountain was really calm and relaxing and goes with the vibe. And of course, some cool dishwasher safe chopsticks. I have some like these at home that I use and I love. And I thought, okay, what's the last thing we want to do to bring this all together? And barware. Barware is super trendy right now, having a really cool collection. And I loved this textured and this really just deep red glass barware. This is really pretty, and it's got kind of naturally the red and then kind of black in the shadows. And I thought this is going to add that nice texture to this look. And I thought, sushi for Valentine's Day, for any day of the week, really. I mean, it's a really versatile food. A lot of people, especially those with food allergies, can make something custom for them. And I'm really excited about this. This is a super fun, possibly my most favorite one yet. And more importantly, I love that it's not limited to just the traditional Valentine's Day vibe. And we're doing something a little different, a little bit more universal, and I'm really into it. So, for now, that concludes my Valentine's Day tablescapes with date night activities. I've actually really enjoyed making these and have been thinking about making more date night at home ideas. So if you're interested in more ideas, let me know down below and maybe we'll do some as the seasons continue. But for now, I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this. And if you missed some of the other ones, we have got some really fun themed tablescapes with date night activities for all sorts of Valentine's Day needs, whether you want something fun for you and the kids, you and your special someone, you want to have a girls' night. I have something for everybody. So make sure you check out my Valentine's Day playlist. And if you like this kind of content, Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss anything in the future. Alright friends, thanks for watching.